Hi all, I'm going to take you through how to use an auto-injector in case some of your colleagues or a patient or a client or a visitor has an anaphylactic reaction. The main auto-injectors used for anaphylaxis in the market at the moment are the EpiPen and also the Jex. We had another pen called the Emerald and it's recently been taken off the market. So it does tend to be these two main ones. The main device used is possibly this one, which is called the EpiPen. And how do you use an EpiPen is, you can see there's a blue top and an orange top, a tapered end. The blue end, which is flat, actually arms the device. So by removing that, it makes the device armed and ready to go. The tapered end is where the needle comes out. And whenever delivering adrenaline, you hold it like so, making sure your thumb doesn't go to the top, just in case you get the wrong end, and hold it firmly. Where you're going to deliver the adrenaline will be halfway down the patient's leg, ensuring you don't get the seam of their trousers. You hold it like so and you put it into their leg. You heard the click, that means it's deployed. You can count anywhere from 3 seconds up to 10 seconds depending on the make. The EpiPen at the moment is 3 seconds. Whenever you remove it, the device self-shields and it is now safe to get rid of. The other type, the Jex, again the flat cap is to arm it and the tapered end is where the needle comes out. And once again you hold it firmly, outer aspect of the thigh, then it goes, you hear a click, and once again count for up to 10 seconds. Once you remove it, again, it self-sheaths and it's now safe. Hi folks, the other type of pack that we have in Trust is our anaphylactic shock pack. It's in a white box and most of the wards and units will have this. Whenever you want to use it, whenever your patient or colleague is having an anaphylactic reaction, you just tip all the contents out and inside the pack you will have a printed out algorithm along with the doses at the bottom. So you'll have paediatric doses there along with adult doses. Also in your pack you will have 2 1ml syringes, you will have stirrettes, you will have green needles to draw the solution, and then you will have blue needles to be able to do the IM injection with. You will also have your pack, and in this pack you can see it's adrenaline, 1 in 1,000, and there's 1 milligram per mil. And in each of these ampules, which you'll open up, there is 1 mil in each ampule. So if I take this one out, you can see it says adrenaline, 1 milligram per mil of 1 in 1,000 adrenaline. And what we would do is we'd break open the ampule, we'd get our 1 ml syringe, draw the solution up with the green needle to 0.5 ml, which is 500 mics, change over to the blue needle, and then give your IM injection in the same location as you give your EpiPen.